Hey, this is Adrian, the founder behind CallFluent AI, and in this video, I want to demonstrate the power of using AI-powered voice calling agents to automate both inbound and outbound calls, and how you can set up your first AI voice agent in just 60 seconds flat. Getting started is very simple. It just requires 3 simple steps to create your first AI voice calling agent without any code experience. So let's get started and create one of our first agents. You can either create an outbound agent or an inbound agent. So outbound are responsible for making outbound calls, sales calls, follow-up calls, whatever you want, booking calls. An inbound agent is going to be responsible for answering your call 24/7. We have an easy to follow 3-step configuration wizard where you can, set your name of the agent. You can set the language over here. So we support about 30 languages. So let's go ahead with professional mail. I'm going to select one of the phone numbers that I have linked in my Twilio account. Now here on the welcome message, this is the first thing that the AI agent will say once I pick up the phone. And this can be the welcome message for your AI agent. And also you can set up a voice audio message to leave if the voicemail has been detected. You can even have call recordings on and off for more privacy. And you can even choose not to have a welcome message if that is something you want to do. So let's go ahead to the second step. Now on the second stage is where you customize the behavior of your AI voice calling agent. And you can choose the agent type between sales representative, support agent, and lead engagement. I'm going to go with sales representative. I'm also going to select the tone. You have like professional, conversational, humorous, empathic, simple, academic, and creative. I'm going to go with conversational because I think this is the more human-like tone that we can get. Now here in the goal and the background, so the goal is actually where you tell your agent what is his main goal during the phone conversation, and the background is where you set the agent's expertise. Now in the instructions field, this is where actually the magic unfolds. Now on the script size, we can choose to have one or we can let it go free without one. If you're choosing to have a sales script, it's going to try to follow the sales script during the phone call conversation, right? And this is step number 2. And in step number 3, you can embed this agent on your website by simply adding a simple piece of code on your website. Also, we have webhook endpoint integration, which means if you have a CRM, you can actually send leads and calls directly to your webhook. You're going to be able to go ahead and test it out yourself. So let me just add my name and my phone number and have the AI call me so I can interact live with him. Okay. As you can see, I'm receiving the call right now. So let me just pick it up and put it on speaker.
This is Adrian from CallFluent AI. I'm reaching out today because you filled up a form on our website. Who am I speaking with?
Hey, this is Thomas. How are you doing?
Hey, Thomas, doing great. How about you?
I'm doing great. I was just stumbled upon CallFluent AI and I was wondering how it can help my business.
That's awesome. Before we dive in, I'd love to learn a bit more about your business.
Yeah, so I run a real estate agency.
Great. And how are you currently managing your customer support and sales calls?
Okay, so that's actually the issue because usually I am on the field and presenting properties, and most of the time I miss a lot of customer calls. So that's an issue because I don't currently have a solution.
Got it. Using CallFluent AI, you'll handle all your phone calls, sales or support, completely hands-free, transforming every call into a revenue opportunity. Think this can benefit your business?
Yes, can you tell me more about inbound calls and how you can able to answer the phone for me?
Of course. Our AI agents handle calls 24/7, making sure you never miss a customer or lead. Sounds good?
Yeah, actually sounds amazing. What about outbound calls?
Perfect. For outbound calls, we can reach out to leads, follow up with clients, and even pre-qualify prospects. Can you see this benefiting your business?
Yeah, I can definitely see that. But you know something? What about scheduling, calendar bookings, and all of that other features?
What's on your mind? CallFluent AI can automatically manage and book appointments, keeping your calendar organized. Interested?
Yeah, it does sound great. But before we dive deeper, can you tell me more about all the features that you have?
Absolutely. We handle support calls, make outbound sales calls, take bookings, schedule appointments, and more. Any specific feature you're curious about?
Actually, I would like to learn more about CallFluent AI. Can we book a demo?
Sure thing. I'll make a note for a demo booking. Is there a specific time that works best for you?
I would love to have it like tomorrow at 2 p.m. if possible.
Got it. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. I'll make sure it's scheduled. Anything else you need?
Yes, can you send me the calendar invitation via email, please?
Absolutely. I'll send the calendar invite to your email. Anything else, Thomas?
Yes, can you also send me an SMS with the calendar appointment?
Sure, I can do that. What's your phone number?
It's the one I'm calling from.
Got it. I'll send the SMS and the email invite shortly. Anything else, Thomas?
Thank you so much. Yeah, how do I sign up? Can you tell me where do I need to sign up?
Just scroll to the bottom of callfluent.com and click Buy Now in the pricing section.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you so much for assisting. I'll be being in touch with you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Thomas.
Okay, so that was pretty amazing, right? I mean, I was able to have a full-blown conversation with a AI powered agent that actually answered all my calls, scheduled the appointment, sent me I also have the confirmation of the booking appointment on my SMS, and I also received an email on my email with the calendar specifications. Now, that's not all that CallFluent AI can do. We recently added actions, which are automations for your agents, which allows you to create all sort of automation from sending emails, sending text messages, adding webhook integrations, adding calendar bookings, Zapier integrations, and also call forwarding. So if by any means during the conversation somebody mentions that I want to be transferred to a real human agent, you'll be able to have your call forwarding automation running, and you don't need to have any coding experience. You can just explain this into instructions field in plain English that the bot needs to, transfer to a real human agent. It's going to follow and obey all the instructions you give it, just as well as sending email. It's just as simple like that. CallFluent AI is going to be able to automate all of your phone calls, whatever it's inbound, outbound, sales calls, support calls, scheduling appointments, pre-qualifying leads, anything you can think of that involves a phone conversation. Our AI agent is going to be able to save you not only time, but also money in the process. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.